Hi, my name is Nick Eubank, and this fall and spring I'll be teaching Practical Data Science 1 and 2 for the MIDS program. I think one of the most exciting things about MIDS is that it's really a program that's dedicated to data science. A lot of data science programs just kind of pull in faculty from different places, and so students end up meeting with faculty members who see an exposure to how computer scientists use data science tools, or you see how social scientists use data science tools. In creating an actual dedicated program, the hope is to really come up with a harmonized approach and provide students with a scaffolding, a conceptual understanding of how all of these tools relate to one another, so that they are able to understand when to choose which tool. And as I said, they know much more than just a bag of tools that they can pull out. They know how to choose which tools depending on what's most appropriate for the question being asked. So this spring, I'm going to be teaching Practical Data Science 2. So the aim of the class is that it's relatively easy in designing a data science program to graduate students who've mostly been trained with a bag of tools, right? So it's pretty easy to, within data science, just have people learn a bunch of different kind of technical models and things like that. The problem is that doesn't offer students much of a unified approach to data science. And so one of the things that we're trying to do here at MIDS is offer people a way of thinking and integrating all these different tools that they're going to be picking up and that have been developed in a lot of different areas. So the course is going to be oriented on kind of a questions-first approach. So we take the view that data science is the effort to answer questions about the world using quantitative data. And so what we're going to do is first talk about different types of questions that people may want to ask, right? So we have descriptive questions. We just want to know what's going on in the world as kind of a first step to kind of analyzing things that are going on. Then there are causal questions. Is it the case that manipulating something like giving people a drug or changing a major policy will result in a change that we care about? And then, of course, there's also a context where we care a lot about prediction, right? Sometimes we want to predict what types of consumers would do certain things, or alternatively, similar to causal inference, we want to understand what would happen if we changed certain policies. And so the course is going to be designed where we kind of introduce these types of questions and then talk about which tools are appropriate for answering which types of questions. And the hope there is that we come out more than just a collection of specific technical methods, and we empower students to kind of go forward and be prepared to encounter questions and decide on the appropriate tools to use to answer those out in the world.